Top 5 Kitchen Utensil Sets. Number 5, Oannao Silicone Utensil Set. The Oannao Silicone Cooking Utensil Set includes heat-resistant tools up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, featuring comfortable, non-melting wooden handles. Made of BPA-free, food-grade silicone, these utensils are safe and odorless, protecting non-stick cookware from scratches. The set comprises 13 essential pieces, 9 cooking tools, 4 baking tools, and a large utensil holder. Each wooden handle varies slightly in color and texture, adding a unique touch. The stainless steel core ensures durability and flexibility, while the one-piece design prevents food from getting trapped, making cleaning easy. Note that while some components are dishwasher safe, the wooden handles are not recommended for dishwasher cleaning. Ideal for new homes or apartments, this set meets all your kitchen needs without wasting money. Number 4, Umite Chef Utensil Set. The Umite Chef Kitchen Cooking Utensils Set includes 33 non-stick silicone tools with wooden handles, perfect for any kitchen. Made of food-grade, BPA-free silicone, these utensils are safe for all food types and resist retaining odors and colors. The set includes spatulas, ladles, spoons, tongs, measuring cups, and more, each designed for durability and high heat resistance up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. The sturdy wooden handles are anti-scalding, though not recommended for prolonged soaking or dishwasher use. The silicone heads protect cookware from scratches, extending their lifespan. This comprehensive set includes a holder, 10 hooks, and a silicone mat, ensuring convenient storage and easy access to all your kitchen essentials. Number 3, SMIRLY Utensils Set and Holder. The SMIRLY Silicone Kitchen Utensils Set and Holder includes 37 essential pieces, providing all the professional kitchen accessories you'll ever need. Perfect for new homes and first apartments, this complete starter set features spatulas, ladles, cooking spoons, tongs, and measuring tools. Made from heat-resistant silicone with stainless steel handles, these utensils are designed for durability and convenience. This comprehensive set simplifies your kitchen setup, offering ultimate convenience and value without the hassle of buying each tool individually. Ideal for non-stick cookware, the utensils ensure your kitchen is well-equipped and ready for any culinary task. Number 2, BESTZMWK Kitchen Utensil Set. The BESTZMWK Kitchen Utensil Set includes 33 essential silicone and stainless steel tools, perfect for non-stick cookware. The set features slotted spatulas, spoons, turners, tongs, ladles, peelers, pizza cutters, openers, graters, scissors, measuring cups, and more. Built with top-grade 304 stainless steel handles and durable silicone heads, these utensils are designed to last a lifetime, resisting bending, breaking, and rusting. The non-scratch silicone heads protect your expensive cookware. BPA and latex-free, these utensils are easy to clean in the dishwasher and can be conveniently hung for storage, making them both practical and elegant additions to any kitchen. Number 1, AOTHOD Silicone Utensil Set. The AOTHOD Silicone Cooking Utensils Set includes 15 BPA-free, food-grade silicone tools, designed to withstand temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. This set, ideal for non-stick cookware, features tongs, spatulas, spoons, brushes, and more, ensuring all your kitchen needs are met. The utensils have a one-piece stainless steel core for durability and flexibility, preventing bending or warping. The heat-resistant, non-melting silicone is odorless and non-reactive with food. The set is dishwasher safe, making cleaning easy and efficient. The anti-scalding silicone handles and non-stick friendly heads protect cookware from scratches, extending their lifespan. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.